Hi there and welcome back to CiaoBedBugs. In today's segment, I'm excited to introduce a potential home remedy to get rid of bedbugs, the legendary Vicks Vaporub. Vaporub has gained quite a reputation online as an economic and accessible method to kill bedbugs. It would be an ideal solution for bedbugs if it proves effective, because it's affordable and readily available in stores, and it also doesn't involve chemical insecticides. However, the question remains, does this unconventional solution genuinely live up to the hype? Stick around as we explore its efficacy together and uncover the proper way to employ it against bedbugs. So without further ado, let's get started. Does Vicks Vaporub work against bedbugs? Insects, including bedbugs, share an aversion to the scent of mint, which is a key feature of Vicks Vaporub due to its high menthol content. The concentration of menthol in the ointment can help deter bedbugs from attempting to get close to you. Additionally, the eucalyptus oil present in Vaporub also contributes to its ability to repel bedbugs. Eucalyptus oil deters bedbugs due to its strong aroma, primarily driven by the compound eucalyptol. The scent can overwhelm the insect's olfactory receptors, causing confusion and disruption in their navigation and activities. The oil's intense fragrance can also irritate bedbugs and contains compounds such as eucalyptol that some insects find repellent, making treated areas less attractive to them. How to use Vicks Vaporub for bedbugs. To use Vaporub for bedbugs, apply a small amount before bedtime on areas like wrists, neck, elbows, knees, and ankles, the preferred spots for bedbug bites. This temporary measure can keep bedbugs away and prevent bites. You can also apply Vicks Vaporub on mattress seams, cracks, and potential nesting areas to keep bedbugs away. Another application involves using Vicks Vaporub as a lubricant on the feet of your box spring. This prevents bedbugs from easily moving from the box spring to you. The sticky petroleum jelly base of Vaporub serves as both as a barrier due to its sticky texture and as a deterrent due to its minty scent. So in conclusion, while it can be useful in managing infestations, combining it with other methods like diatomaceous earth, steam cleaning, encasing a bed, and vacuuming will provide better results. If you're looking for an affordable and safer approach to bedbug control and you have Vicks Vaporub at home, you should give it a go. So please, feel free to tell me in the comments if you've ever tried Vaporub for bedbugs. And for more information, subscribe and check out our website, CiaoBedBugs.com.